delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter cookies. Alright, for the peanut butter cookies, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 stick of butter, and some vanilla. Easy enough. Did I say 1 egg? Easy enough. Recipe easy enough. Not a lot of ingredients. Gonna make an amazing chocolate chip. I said chocolate chip. I got chocolate chips on my mind. We're gonna make an amazing peanut butter cookie. Alright. I'll be right back. So step 1, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our 2 cups of flour. I like making noise and I'll be breaking things. We're gonna put that in there. Then we're gonna take our baking soda. I'm gonna put that in there. We're gonna get our salt in there. Now we're gonna take our whisk. And this also helps to combine all of the ingredients together and shift the flour so it doesn't have any lumps in it. Just like so. That's what we're doing. Just mixing it all together. Just like so. A good mix on. So see, look at that. It's nice and shift it together. Nice mix. Now you can shift it again if you want to with these cookies. Not doing all of that. Why? For what reason? Alright, so there you go. Set this to the side. And we're gonna come over. I'm gonna bring my glass bowl over. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our butter. Now 1 stick, that's all you need is 1 stick of butter. Like so. Alright, you get your butter in the bowl. We're gonna take our peanut butter. And 1 cup of peanut butter. Right in there. You need that 1 cup to get that peanut butter flavor. You can have a really good peanut butter flavor all through your cookie. You want that flavor to be amazing. So I'm trying to get all of it out because, as y'all know, peanut butter is expensive. Alright, so now we're gonna cream these 2 together. Let's get the butter and the peanut butter all mixed in. Nice and creamy. Nothing like a good peanut butter cookie, guys. Nothing. And earlier in my video, my daughter said that I said shift, not sift. So my apologies, guys. It's sift. Now we're gonna go in with that packed brown sugar. That in there. Now we're gonna add our white sugar. That creamed in. So, we're going to take that peanut butter thing I had a spatula, and just go around and scrape anything up from the bottom and the sides of the bowl. Like so. I'm going to go in. Get it all mixed in. Now, we're going to take that 1 egg and we're going to crack it right into our dish. And we're going to put it right in our bowl. We're going to mix that in. I'm going to take some vanilla. About that much vanilla. About a tablespoon. And we're going to mix it in. Just like so. Now we're going to scrape down the bowl one more time before we start to add our flour. Just making sure everything is well combined in here. Now, we're going to go in and we're going to start adding in a half a cup measurements. Turn it up too high just like I did, then you're going to get flour everywhere. Let's mix. Going in with another. I'm coming through. What I'm going to do is fold some of this flour in here before we start mixing, because if not, I'm going to have flour all over my kitchen. Let's just fold this flour in before we mix. So I got a bigger spatula. And this will make 24 to 32 cookies, depending on the size of your cookies. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to edit it off. Alright, so now I'm going to fold it in one last time for our cookies. Scrape off. We're going to scrape off. Alright, so we're just going to get it off of the beater. I'm going to stand it up so I can get it a little better. I know that we're going to go back in here. I like to try to get some of that off so it don't get too stuck between that. These are peanut butter cookies now. Alright. It's almost mixed in. What I want. I'm getting the cookies almost there. And that's what they supposed to look like, nice and crumbly peanut butter cookies. There we have it. There you have it. All of it on there. Just getting the peanut butter out of the list. Alright. Take these off of the beater. This one came off fine. This one just want to act like a jerk. Alright. Get it out of there. Just like so. Alright, so when we come back, guys, we're going to go ahead and roll these cookies out, and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. We're going to roll them into a ball and take a fork and smash them down, get them into the oven for 13 to 17 minutes. Alright, so I have some cooking spray here, and I'm doing just spraying my hands with it, rubbing them together, and this is how you're going to form these cookies into a ball. Take them, smash smash them just like so and roll them. Just like that. You're going to set them up here. Smash them, roll them. As big as you want them to get. Try to make sure that they're all the same size so they'll cook evenly though. Peanut butter cookies get kind of crumbly, but they're soft and squeezable like dough. And they're kind of like that. It's not like you're making a, it's kind of like a shortbread cookie. That's what peanut butter cookies are. Smash. Roll. This way you don't get peanut butter, you don't get the cookie stuck to your hand. You got the oil on there. It's just a little Shelly's homemade trick to the game, guys. You don't want to put too many cookies on here because, and even though they're not going to spread too much, you still want to give them space. I'm going to do one more cookie on here, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. This cookie here. Just roll them in the balls, just like so. All right. Okay, so you're gonna need a fork. You take your fork, you just smash down, just like so. We're gonna put these indents in there, just like that. Smash down. These cookies does not really spread, so that's why you smash peanut butter cookies down. Just go across, just like so. Smash down and across, just like so. Get that peanut butter indent. And across. And I like to come in and make sure I get that circle. Smash down. Smash across, just like so. It's nothing hard. Down and across. Makes beautiful I don't know why I want to say chocolate chip cookies. I just don't understand it. What peanut butter cookies? And we're gonna get these into a 375-degree oven for 15 to 17 minutes. All right, so they're out of the oven, looking absolutely scrumptious. Look at that. Turn them over to the bottom. Nice, pretty cookies. They're so soft. Alright, so we're going to get them on a cooling rack for them to cool, and let them cool for another 15 minutes. When they cool all the way down, and we can give them a taste. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, guys, so cookies has cooled. Look at that. Nice, soft cookies. All the peanut butter flavor of a peanut butter cookie. Nice, and this is how a peanut butter cookie should be. You can add some peanuts in here, or you could use chunky peanut butter instead of creamy peanut butter. You give it a stronger peanut butter taste, and you'll have those chunks of peanut butter in there, or peanuts. So it won't be like big peanuts, but they'll be crushed kind of. It won't be good peanut all through the peanut butter cookies. It'll be what you call a delicious time. Alright guys, all the ingredients will be in the description box. Not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.